Hey everyone, looking to make some extra cash on the side? Who isn't, right? Whether you're trying to pay down debt, save up for a down payment on a house, or just want some extra spending money, a side hustle could be your ticket to financial freedom. Today, we're diving into some of the best side hustles you can start right now, even if you're a complete beginner. We're talking low startup costs, flexible hours, and the potential to earn some serious cash. Let's get started. First up, we've got freelance writing. If you've got a way with words and you're not afraid to use them, this could be the perfect side hustle for you. Think about it. Every website, blog, and online business needs written content. That's where you come in. You could be writing blog posts, website copy, or even ebooks. And the best part? You can work from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. No more commuting, no more office drama, just you, your laptop, and the sweet sound of making money from your couch. Now I know what you're thinking. Graham, isn't freelance writing super competitive? Yeah, it can be, but that's where good old-fashioned hard work and dedication come in. Find your niche, build your portfolio, and deliver high-quality work, and you'll be raking it in no time. Next up, we have dropshipping. Ever dreamed of running your own online store without having to deal with the hassle of inventory, shipping, or even touching a physical product? That's the beauty of dropshipping. You create an online store, find a supplier, and list their products on your website. When someone places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. You're basically the middleman, but hey, you're making money in your sleep, right? The best part? The startup costs are crazy low. You don't need to buy inventory up front, so you can test out different products and niches without risking a ton of capital. But here's the thing. Dropshipping is becoming increasingly competitive. To succeed, you need to find a unique niche, build a strong brand, and market your butt off. But trust me, the potential rewards are huge. All right, let's talk online tutoring. If you're a whiz kid in a particular subject, why not share your knowledge and make some money while you're at it? Online tutoring platforms like TutorMe, Schooly, and Chegg Tutors connect you with students of all ages who need help in your area of expertise. Whether you're a math whiz, a history buff, or a grammar guru, there's a student out there who needs your help. And the best part? You set your own hours and rates. Work as much or as little as you want, and charge what you're worth. Plus, you get the satisfaction of helping others achieve their academic goals. It's a win-win. For all you creative entrepreneurs out there, print on demand might be the perfect side hustle for you. Ever wanted to design your own t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases but didn't want to deal with the hassle of inventory and shipping? Print on demand takes care of all that for you. You create the designs and a third-party company handles the printing, shipping, and customer service. You get to focus on what you do best, creating awesome designs. Platforms like Printful, Printify, and Redbubble make it super easy to get started. Just upload your designs, choose your products, and start selling. The possibilities are endless. And the best part? You don't need to be a design pro to create winning designs. There are tons of free and affordable design tools available online. Last but not least, we have affiliate marketing. This is the ultimate passive income stream. Here's how it works. You partner with a company that sells products or services you love, you promote those products or services to your audience, and you earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. It's that simple. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own products or deal with customer service. You're simply recommending products or services you believe in and getting paid for it. Of course, affiliate marketing takes work. You need to build a strong online presence, create valuable content, and find the right affiliate programs to partner with. But if you're willing to put in the effort, the earning potential is huge. There you have it, folks. 5 awesome side hustles you can start today. Remember, the best side hustle is one that fits your lifestyle and interests. So which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on making money and living your best life. See you next time.